What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, my mom is going to be reacting to Tron by Tyler, the Creator. It's the song that actually got him banned from the UK. Yeah, and also, do not mind my hair. I just got out of the shower like 10 minutes ago. But yeah, you ready, Mom?
I'm ready.
Satan's getting jealous of the wolves. The demons say they preferring us. Books are not giving a fuck with what they referring us. Wolves, I know you heard of us. We're murderers and young enough to get the fucking priest to come and flirt with us. You niggas rap about fucking bitches and getting head. Instead, I rap about fucking bitches and getting head. While you niggas stacking bread, I can stack a couple dead bodies, making red look less of a color, more of a hobby. I'm not a rapper, nor a rapist, nor a racist. I fuck bitches with no permission, and I hate shit. Brag about the actions in a rhyming pattern, mad, and then proceed to sat her down when I go splatter on the chatterbox. At a boy, odd future, you're not in our category. Torture with the super soaker at the Asian liquor store. It's the type of shit that make a Chris Brown wanna kick a whore. That make songs about the wet blocks when it rains and pours. I hate this, screaming fuck patience. Got a nigga shaking like the common fucking Haitian after chronic masturbation. Asking where Mary Kate went. I wanna be the reasons why all lesbians hate dick. I make this damn boo weak with a red moose. Game of duck tape with a dead goose. She run around this motherfucking dungeon, her legs loose, until I accidentally get the saw to her head. Oops. Victim, honey, you're my fifth one. Honey on that topping when I stuff you in my system. Rape a pregnant bitch and tell my friends I had a threesome. You got a fucking death wish, I'm a genie, it'll get done. Nice to meet you, but it's more pleasant to eat you with a leaf of salad and some dressing pouring out a teacup. Bitch, I'm Tyler the Creature. Suck your feet up like a beach of leeches. Rubber more than the fucking bottom of the speaker. Cheap with a fucking creeper. Get your daughter and keep her in the Jeeps with a wolf gang rides around people. Take it a Ladera. Now she's scared, you're embarrassed, filled with terror. Chop her legs off and tell her to run some errands. Put her eyes in a canteen, take her to the barracks. Stare at Steve, say it costs 10 to fuck Eric. Put her in the lake, her body seems great. Now it's time to fish her like Derek. Satan's us, we're dangerous. We're trading kids for angel dust and sniffing out at Michael Jackson's trying to suck our dick. Hippopot the fucking llamas, dead bodies, cheerleading squatters, gave the team a bunch of fucking bees and the Kiki Palmer. They will never catch him or catch up. They asked me what it was, I told them fuckers it was ketchup. Nothing like my checks makes you bleeding from a rectum. Odd future wolves stirring ruckus, throwing sets up. Yeah, this the type of shit that make children break in apartments. When you tell a fucking orphan you don't love them till they heart them. Starve her till I carve her, then I shove her in the Rover where I cut her like a barber with a Parkinson's disorder. Store her in the portable freezer with me to Portland. Catch me with a bunch of fucking Mexicans crossing the border. I'll be the only wetback who ain't really touched the water, cause I'll be too fucking busy trying to flirt with Hazel's daughter. I'm awesome, and I fuck dolphins. Sicker than a starving Nigerian kid golfing. Odd future wolf gang, Nazi bar mitzvah with your sister at the bar playing leg and arm twister. Evident that I'm the shit, I'm the poo like Tigger dick. I got these cracker doctors saying, yeah, Bob, these niggas sick. Animal safari, if I offend you, I'm sorry, because I'm the blackest skinhead since India Ari. I don't smoke weed, so no need for the matches. Said fuck coke and now I'm snorting Hitler's ashes. Plan on either dying for suicide or my asthma. Being the only bastard in the box logo casket. Rashes on my dick from licks of shish kebab saggets and some Kanye West glasses screaming out. Catch me in the attic taking photos of my dad's dick. Drop the beat here to make it extra climactic.
Here's the weird part. Don't take them off, don't take them off. 3 minutes out.
Weird.
I heard this kind of
It feels weird in my ears. It's shit.
Doesn't matter.
That was dumb.
How would you rate that out of 10?
A 0.
What was your favorite part?
The ending when it's over.
What was your least favorite part?
The whole song.
Okay.